15 woodworking tips for every beginner. These 15 tips that you'll learn are like simple hacks that'll take you to the top before you even realize it. As there are a lot of things to master in the woodworking world, we've got the basic tips for you first. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. Tip 1. Make a half pencil. You should break your work pencil from the bottom to the middle. This allows the pencil to run through perfectly when you're using a template to measure or draw on something. Tip 2. Keep the saw straight. You see, when you're holding your saw, don't keep your finger inside of the grabbing rail, your cuts will be curved for sure. Tip 3. Use bench for blade. You can use your bench for the initial setup on your blade. The taps on the wedge and the blade will be just enough to make it engageable. Tip 4. Focus on body alignment. It's very essential that you make sure that your body alignment is correct for your own safety. Tip 5. 2 nails on a straight board. All you need is 2 nails and a straight board to make any kind of angle shooting boards you want. You just have to place the nails on the board crossly. Tip 6. Use rubber pads. You can place rubber pads under your bench's feet because it prevents the feet from sliding around and causing an accident. Works just like sneakers. Tip 7. Add copper down to the leg vise. You can try adding a copper down to your leg vise. It'll surely make it look better, will give you more comfort and easy to move. Tip 8. Use sandpaper eraser. You can make sandpaper erasers work just as well as hooking hoops as they do your bell sanders. Tip 9. Slight radius blade on smoother. A slight radius blade on your smoother as it can give you a smoother sensation to the fingers because you won't feel the undulations. Tip 10. Skew your blade. If you ever think that you need a lower angle blade, skew the blade a little bit and it'll get the job done. Tip 11. Say yes to block plane. A block plane can be a lot more comfortable than the number 3 smoother. Give it a run. Tip 12. Always use a brush. You should always use a brush to clear away the shavings, because sharp equipment might create an event that you'll not be ready for. Tip 13. Short boards or joiner. The short boards are so smooth that it might as well be a joiner. Sounds crazy, but it can really be used as a joiner. Tip 14. Find the sandpaper. You can store sandpapers onto a wooden wall by using a Velcro so that you can find them right when you need them. Tip 15. Use magnets. Use large magnets to keep a hold on your small handy things, like screwdrivers or screws. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.